Dear students, now I just came back in second class of rational number. In my first class, I have finished far as 1.2 of far as 1.2. One point three. Okay, let's start 1.4. No problems, these are very easy. You can do 1.3 I have finished. So 1.3 I have finished. Yes. Okay. 1.4. In 1.4 there are some problems, numerical problems, just as fraction. It is nothing you have to do. The first one, exercise 1.4. You can listen to. Find the value of the following. That is 1, 2. It is 4, 5 by 8 divided minus 4 by 9. Now we have to simplify this. 4, 5, 8 for the 32, 37 divided minus 4 by 9. Now in place of division you can give multiplication. You will write 9 by minus 4. Now no, just multiply it. And here minus plus, it will be minus 9 7 just 63. 9 7 just 63. And by 27 and 33 by 32. You can convert it into improper fraction. You can convert it into improper fraction. Okay. Next, no need to do number 2, number 3. The product of two rational number is minus 11 by 12. That is product equals to, you write product equals to minus 11 by 12. One of them is 2 4 by 9. One number equals to 2 4 by 9. That is 9 2 are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 by 9. You have to find the other number. If the product is given, and one number is given, then you have to find the other number. You know how to find that. You will divide product by the given number. Because suppose I told the product is 6 and one number is 2. Another number must be 3. How will you get? Now 6 divided 2. Same as also, this is product, this is the given number. So you have to find the another number. Product of two number means it is one number, another number is missing. You have to find that missing number. If you use the algebra, you can take as the missing number is x, then x into this equals to this, and you know x equals to this, x into this means it is multiplied, it will go that side into division form. You can write directly the other number equals to product minus 11 by 2 divided 22 by 9. That is minus 11 by 12 into 9 by 22. 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. That is minus 3 by 8. This is the other number. Number 6. divide the sum of minus 13 by 8. The sum of minus 13 by 8 and 5 by 12 by their difference. Listen, here two number is given. You have to divide the sum of these two by their difference. Means at first you have to find the sum of these two. Means this plus this divided by this minus this. Minus 13 by 8 plus 5 by 12. Then it is equal to, what is the LCM? 24 minus 39 equals to minus 29 by 24. Now the difference of minus 13 by 8 and 5 by 12. Since it is negative, it is the greater number. Then you will subtract this minus this. That is 5 by 12 minus 13 by 8. It is equal to 5 by 12 plus 13 by 8. It is equal to 24. 10 plus 39. That is 49 by 24. Okay. 49 by 24. Now you have to divide it minus 29 by 24 by 49 by 24. Here the question is given. You have to divide the sum by their difference. Therefore, now divide this. Minus 29 by 24. It will be divided by 49 by 24. 49 by 24. Then it will comes minus 29 by 24. 24 by 49. Just cut it. It is nothing, just minus 29 by. Next exercise 1.5. Represent the following rational numbers on the number line. Here some rational numbers are given. You have to represent the number line. Very easy, no problem. Suppose I just do 1 3 minus 9 by 7. At first convert it into improper fraction. This is minus 1 2 by 7. Now in number line, the line, you can see the line lies between minus 1 to 1 or minus 2. Then write 0, it is minus 1, it is minus 2. In number line you will give arrow sign. Now it is lies between these two numbers and it is divided by how many parts? 7 parts. So you will divide this into 7 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is just minus 1. This is just minus 1 1 by 7. It is 2 by 7. This is 1 1 by 7. It will be minus 1 2 by 7. It is minus. Then it is 1 by 7. It is 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7 means it is minus 2. So this number you will mark this, and this is minus 1 2 by 7. This is minus 1 2 by 7. Here so many rational numbers. In number 2 so many rational numbers are given. You have to write their values and they are unknown. From the number line we can say that, just see A, the first one 1 by 7, 2 by 7, A will be 3 by 7 now. B, it is 7 by 7, 7 by 7 means it is equals to 1. You have to write 1, not 7 by 7. You have to write the answer in simplest form. Then C is 8 by 7 and D, it is 12 by 7. E, it is 13 by 7. Okay. Next, number 4. In class 7, you learn this. Find 6 rational number between minus 1 by 2 and 5 by 4. 6 rational number. If there is 1 or 2, you can easily get by adding and then divided by 2. But here since it is 6, it will be greater. 6, 20, 100. So you have to do. At first write minus 1 by 2 and 5 by 4. At first you will convert this into like fractions. So if you multiply minus 1 by 2 into 2, then it is equals to minus 2 by 4 and it is 5 by 4. Now all of you see between minus 2 and 5, how many number lies there? Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Already you got 6. Therefore we can write between these two, minus 2 by 4 less than minus 1 by 4 less than 0 by 4 means 0, less than 1 by 4 less than 2 by 4 less than 3 by 4 less than 4 by 4 less than 5 by 4. So now see, these two numbers are given and among them you got 6 rational numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore the rational numbers are minus 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 4. This 2 by 4 means 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and it is 1. This is the answer. Okay. Next, number 7. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than minus 4. Smaller than minus 4. Smaller than minus 4. 5 rational numbers which are smaller than minus 4. Smaller then minus 4 are, you can write minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, sorry, these are better, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus, okay. So no more today. This is exercise 1.4, 1.5. It is very easy. I think you can do it. Okay. Now the homework. I am writing here the homework. exercise 1.5, 1, 2, 2, 2, and number 3, number 5, and exercise 1.4, 1.4, in exercise 1.4, one, 3, number 4, number 7. Okay, these are today's homework, and we will complete. We will submit tomorrow. Okay, and the one exercise is left, that is exercise 1.6, and it is word problem. Next class I will do. Okay. Bye.